Hi guys, me Samuel Garrett here. We're ready for New York. We're ready to go to Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Bedford, Massachusetts. Are you ready to go? Alright! Fasten your seatbelts! We're gonna need full speed ahead! All aboard! Next up, New Bedford, Massachusetts for New York, for New Jersey, from Pennsylvania, for Connecticut, and for Rhode Island. Now here we go! Fix it. There you go. Go through. We're heading to Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Bedford, Massachusetts. We're heading to Connecticut. We're heading to Connecticut. Alright, we're going to traveling to New Bedford, Massachusetts. We're heading to Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. From New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. And from New York. We're just traveling into the highway. Ready to go! We're just traveling into the air. Attention airport zephyr road trip people. Passengers people. Attention airport zephyr road trip passenger people. We're reaching to Connecticut from New York. So please enjoy the ride, and we're headed to Connecticut, Rhode Island, and New York, Massachusetts. Okay, exit 12. We're in a hair break. Where's the traffic? Welcome to New Bedford, Massachusetts. From New York, from Rhode Island, from Connecticut, from New York, from New Jersey, and from New Pennsylvania. We are going to be loving. Welcome to Dartmouth Mall. We're going to stop at the station. Maximum road train ready to go. Here we are. Welcome to Dartmouth Mall. Please get out the road train and enjoy the shopping at the Dartmouth Mall. Alright, and that's how you get to New Bedford, Massachusetts at Dartmouth Mall on time. By the Airport Zephyr Road Train Express. Alright, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you like the comments, put a like, bell, and subscribe to my channel. This is Zephyr O'Gara, signing off. And I'll see you next for more Airport Zephyr Road Train Express.